Hey there, everybody. Welcome back. This is section 14.5 in Calculus 3, and we're using Anton's 11th edition book on early transcendentals. 14.5 is on triple integrals. Let's just jump right into it. We peeked at this in class before when we started doing multiple integrals. Let's just go into the full thing. We can look at integrating functions of three variables over a closed solid region G. Assuming G can be enclosed in a box, so that no direction extends indefinitely. G is a finite solid. So I drew a little like triangle here. If this is x naught and this is y naught, and this, so that would be x naught, y naught, 0. And let's say z naught is up here. It's making, this thing is making a line from z naught to x naught, y naught, and then x naught, y naught, 0. That's the entire solid. We can fit it into this box right here where it goes from 0 to x naught, 0 to y naught, and 0 to z naught. That's kind of all we're doing. So that's just an example of what's going on. Like we did with the multiple and double integrals, we can break it up into smaller boxes. We denote the kth box. Now it's not delta A, it's delta V. And so we can set up our triple integral with f of x, y, z, dv over this region G. Same old stuff we were doing with double integrals, just extended to a third variable. All of our integrals rules apply that we have for multiples. Apply to doubles, apply to triples. So if we had a constant times a integral, we could, or a function in the integral, we could take the constant out. If we had two functions being added or subtracted together, we could separate it into two integrals, either being added or subtracted. And we can break up the region G up into two regions, G1 and G2, as long as they together make G. We had Fubini's theorem in 2D was we could just change the order of the integrals. We can do this here, assuming that the order is mutable. It's a rectangular region. So our functions go from, our integrals are constants. And there's no functions up here in our limits of integration. And so we could do any order of these. I didn't draw them all out, but depending on the order here, changes the order of the integrands out here. We'll do some examples in the next video. This basic stuff. We're extending the double to triple. All it does is adds another integral. Peace.